But this whip, I would be not mad.
You won't really be that mad. You remember that time you just fell off the trailer, off the bike trailer, and you had hit your lip because you ain't had your seatbelt on that time? You remember? How your lip? Is it better?
Yeah.
Way better? Yeah, man, you gonna heal up. Sometime we gonna fall down and get some scratch. What's up?
This don't hurt.
Yeah, man. Sometime we gonna fall down and get some scratches, man. But our bodies is designed to heal.
My fall was so bad.
Man, oh, that time you fell off that PW50?
Yeah.
And you thought, you all in, the doctor thought you broke your arm? Woo. Man, you hear that thunder?
Yeah.
Man, it's time to go.
Like, that was like the worst crash in my whole life. All the dirt.
Yeah.
That was my
Man, that was, though. For real. Man, you came around the corner, man. And I was like, what happened to you? Because that was crazy. Man. But look at you now, man. You done got healed up. Oh, I still got my kickstand down.
Like, when I was going, I had my...
You done got healed up, though. You still got some little scars on you. But that's cool, though.
Yeah, and when, how I fell down, how I fell down on like the PW50.
Hey, Pop.
So when I was going on the turn, going like 20 miles per hour.
Yep.
And I fell down
Because what?
Because I saw a rock. And I looked back, and it was a rock stuck in my tire. And on my back tire, so I slid. And I fell down, still going 20, falling down.
And you back out here riding again already, huh?
Yeah.
Man, that was a major fall, too. Out here on this good bike ride. Need some water? Here.
I'll some get away.
Yeah, get some. Go ahead and get some. Hurry on up, man. These mosquitoes gonna tear us up out here right now. Big Legend, right now we at the campsite, man, where me and Learning with Landon came out and set up a tent. Learning with Landon went tent camping that day. You remember?
Yeah.
It's just a fire pit back there.
Can I see a fire pit?
Nah, we about to go.
The west side?
Yeah, we started a fire over here before. But it was real small, though.
Oh, yeah.
It was a real small one.
Oh, yeah, I remember.
Yeah, you remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty nice little campsite, though, over here that we went to. All right, man, let's go.
Wait, what's the
These
benches
mosquitoes.
like over there?
Huh?
What's the benches like over there before?
The bench? I don't know, but they be moving the benches around out here, though.
Oh.
You can move them around. Once you get out here, you might not want it in a certain spot, so you can move it, though.
Oh.
Yes, sir. And then the back there leads to like that little back trail. What's up?
A bench.
A bench? Not a bench. Yeah, the bench over there in the corner. All right, guys, let's roll out.
I remember when you had that machete.
Yeah, the machete, so we could clear the trail back there.
When I was cutting.
Yeah, back there. That was awesome.
Yeah.
All right,
I
guys.
wish we had a machete.
The machete on us right now. I should have it on me. I don't know why I don't.
Yeah, before I could cut that right there.
What, over here? Yep, spot 66. That was our spot, 66.
I know how to use a knife.
Yeah. You should, man. You should. Just make sure you use them safely.
I will practice it.
Yeah, make sure you use them safely if you ever need to use it.
To see if my toes can get on the ground. Ah, snap, my tippy toes.
Mo. Big Legend, you got a lot of sand on you back there? It's all right, we'll clean you up, man. We'll clean you up. Yes, sir. We made it back. It is hot out here. I tell you that. Good little workout, though. Work your legs out good. Help you run faster. Riding that bike. And put it back on. All right. Let's roll to the truck.
I got like sand in my back.
Mud? Yeah, you got a little mud back there.
Just like one.
Yeah. That was a nice little muddy ride, though. Yes, sir.
Alright, let me clear my shirt, y'all. When I whip, y'all. I said,
Go up that hill.
dude, I was trying to hit the ground real quick, and this is what I said. I said, peace.
You said peace out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at it. Look at it.
Yeah. Yeah. Ah! Wait, not the stairs. I ain't said what so don't. Not the stairs. Well, I keep telling you. You can stay and shoot. I'm not